Hi friends, myself Danny. Our today's topic is golden snub-nosed monkey. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. We will continue surprise you with new and rare geographical facts. The golden snub-nosed monkey, also known as the snub-nosed leaf monkey, the orange monkey, and the Sichuan golden-haired monkey, is a small monkey that can only be found in the mountains of central Southeast China, including mountains of Tibet. It ranges from 20 to 26 inches long and can live for over 20 years. Why do snub-nosed monkeys have such short nose? You might wonder. Well, it's because they live in cold forests high up in the mountains. In such cold place, a long nose would be difficult to keep warm. It might even get frostbitten. Another adaptation snub-nosed monkey have to the cold in their thick, long fur. Female gold snub-nosed monkey give birth to just one infant each year, particularly from March to June. The infant is born grey, not golden, and become golden in adult. In the wild, golden snub-nosed monkeys spend most of their time in the trees where they sleep, feed, and socialize. What do golden snub-nosed monkeys eat? The answer depends on season. In winter, golden snub-nosed monkeys eat mostly the bark of trees. In spring, they eat seeds, buds, and leaves. In summer, they leaves insects, and in fall, they eat fruits. There is, however, the one type of food available all year that the golden snub-nosed monkeys like to eat: lichen, which is what grows on trees when fungi and algae combine. They live in units that consist of one male and several females. Wow! Here is an interesting fact for you. The fur of the golden snub-nosed monkey was once believed to have medical properties. In particular, it was considered a cure for rheumatism and could prevent a person from getting it. Because of this, the rich and government officials used to wear clothes made of golden snub-nosed monkey fur. Sadly, the hunting of golden snub-nosed monkeys for their fur is one of the reasons why they are currently endangered, with less than 2,000 of them believed to remain in the world. Another reason could be the destruction of the forest and the harvesting of the dead trees, which provide the most lichen and hunting of the monkey for it. Although laws have already been put in place to prevent this, we can only hope that they will succeed in saving this rare and beautiful monkey. Thanks for watching. Please provide your feedback and suggestion. Share this video with your friends and colleagues and families. Again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.